Hey guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Fireman back with a new video, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about a freelancing site which is rare used by the majority freelancers. Before starting today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. And also don't forget to watch the video until the end so you won't miss any important point about what I'm about the freelancing site. So let's go and check it out. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser down here and search for the name Revolancer site. Yes. And also you can see the image which pops up in the middle of the site, which you're going to see. And here you go. This is Revolancer. I have no idea how many of you knew about this freelancing site earlier, and those who are already earning by selling a service to clients all over the world. This site is also similar to freelancing site which is called Fiverr. Check on this image which pops out again. What happens in Fiverr is this site is popular today and there is huge competition for every service. If you are a beginner like person, it's definitely hard for you to create deals and find clients soon because it will take months to get your first order. Okay, so let us come back to Revolancer again. And over here, you have to go here and log into this page, or if you already have an account, and if you are a beginner or you're going to start today, or you can go register here. There's a registration form given to you here. You can put your username, email, and you can select this and give I am a graphic designer, web programmer, coder, software engineer, or whatever the service you're going to sell, and create a password, confirm password, and click on I have agreed with this. And they always ask this kind of question called I am human to check whether you are a robot or not, and you can click on register here. And then again, the next time you are coming back, you don't have to register back, you can go through here and log in to your new account. And then also here they have given you various services: graphic design, web design, design media, marketing, writing, programming, business support, virtual assistance. And the main thing, like, you don't have to go click on these buttons and find these services and do. Also you can, like, if you talk about social media, like, you can do commenting, content writing for people. If you can put, like, I can create social media accounts and I can comment on them, like on them, and I take only £5 or £10 or little small amount for those who don't know how to create social media. I can do it for you, and such kinds of services also you can sell on this platform, which is really rare. People are really rare over here who are giving a service, because I don't think most of the people have heard about this thing. There might be some people all are from Sri Lanka even who are now working on this site and already earning. And when you go to this about thing, and you get to know everything they have given at Revolancer. We are creating a brighter future for flexible work and next generation freelancing platform, betting, charging zero commission. And also guys, this site also, like in Fiverr, they take like 2% profit to their company from us, from what we have earned. But the main thing here is we don't have to give any of our amount to the platform. All the money is ours. You can see they have given it again and again and again. That means this site will charge you no money for your services and whatever service you give. Like now, if you see check on this video and you have any idea, okay, I I'm going to start a big service today, and I'm going to sell this, and I'm going to be successful. Please go ahead. No issues. You can start today itself. It's not too late for this. If you have any questions about this site or anything, just leave a comment below. I'm sure I'll reply to all those comments, guys. And coming on to how this site works and how you sell your service is similar to Fiverr, which in Fiverr you create a gig, put 3 packages and sell according to that. So same thing is done here also. You create a service list and put the description, add the amount, put this how many revisions you do for this service, and the same thing done in Fiverr is also done in Revolancer. There is no doubt on that. And also you can give your fixed amount rate, custom amount rate. Like you can just delete the fixed rate and you can give the custom rate which the client wants. So sometimes that can make you more money. Like so sometimes there are people who want their custom amount to give you, so you can welcome that as well. That is how the whole package works. Also, if you want, I'll give you the Revolancer website link down below in the description. Go check it out. And also, if you guys like this video, please do not forget to click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so whenever I post any video you'll be notified. So guys, as for every day, this is Fado Smart signing off. Stay crazy. Peace.